This 5-minute solution will show you how to check recently or last installed apps on iPhone. So to find out your last or recently installed app on iPhone is very quick and easy process. So the first way to see your recently added apps is swipe left until you get to the app library. Tap a recently installed iPhone app in the recently added folder near the top right, and here you will get your recently added or installed apps. And another way to find last or recently added app is go to your app store, tap on your profile photo at the top right, tap on purchased, tap on my purchases, and here you will get all of your installed apps, and at the top of this list you will get your recently installed apps or last installed apps. So that's how you can find it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.